In this video, I'm going to show you how to snipe meme coins with Nova bot. So just follow me, I'm going to try to explain this to the best of my ability. So first what you want to do is just get into Nova, which is on Telegram. So open up your Telegram either on web or on your mobile phone or the desktop app, and then you want to look for the Nova bot. Now once you find it, you will have to of course apply for it and then log in, and once you start this bot, you will usually have to wait a bit, so it usually takes an hour, two, maybe more, depending on the length of the waitlist, and then you will be accepted in after the waitlist expires for you. So once you then can create an account on the Nova bot, from here we can then start sniping meme coins. And the first thing you want to do is going down here to this kind of menu, and then from here you want to press on menu. This will open up this pop-up menu where you first want to go to wallets, and then over here from wallets, as you can see, it will give you the access to see all your wallets. So right now I have a default wallet connected. As you can see, if there's no wallet for you, what you have to do is either create a wallet or import one. So in case you do have a wallet already, you can simply press import wallet, and then you will have to give it a name. So let's just say example over here, and then you have to enter in the private key of the wallet. So right now I'm just gonna type in something random because I don't have it right now. Now what you have to do after your wallet has been imported, you want to click over here again and then tap on menu. Once you go into menu, you want to click on sniper, which is over here, and then wait a few seconds, and there we go. In here, inside the sniper, what you have to do is press new task down here. And from here, you can select if you want the sniper or the pump fun sniper, which is usually a bit more risky. I am not going to give any financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. I'm just going to show you how to perform this. So for this instance, we're going to do the sniper, but you can do this at your own risk as well. So as you can see over here, it explains what each and every single one does. So radium is basically this one, and pump fun is this one over here. I'm going to go with sniper this time. And then it says please send a token address. Now to do this, I recommend going to SoulScan or for example any other website where you can actually find these token addresses. Now I'm just gonna go over here and for example find this Jupiter token, and then copy its token address. As you can see, it's over here. For every single token, of course, you're gonna use the token that you want to use, and then you want to click copy address next to it, go back to Nova, and then just paste in this address and press enter. Now as you can see, this has now opened up this Nova by Sniper task setup, and the first thing you want to do and you have to do is to set a wallet. So the way you do this is basically just click on wallet over here, and then you will have to select your wallet from your list. So I only have one. I'm gonna click on this one, and there we go, it's now set. Now from here, what you have to do is basically just set everything you want over here. So the buy amounts, your slippages, minimum amounts out, and then buy fees, buying tips, etc. Okay, so this is up to you. You can research this or you can do whatever you want. I'm not here to give any advice. I just want to show you how to actually perform this sniping task. Now, once you've done this, you'll basically be able to start it. Of course, you'll have to have some Solana in your wallet, which I do not have at this current moment. And then you just want to click over here where it says stopped, and it's going to start running, as you can see over here. Now, the transaction for me is going to, of course, keep on pending, and it's basically not going to happen. And that is because I don't have any Sol, as I said, but for you, this will work just well. Once you're done with this sniping task, you just want to click delete task over here. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.